to easily and quickly book a retiring room for your IRCTC train journey. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps on how you can book a retiring room for the source or the destination station in your train journey using the IRCTC official website or application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the official IRCTC website, that is irctc.co.in. So as here you can see, I am currently in the irctc.co.in website, and you will be greeted with an interface like this. So it is not mandatory to log in right now. You can do that later. So what you can do after you have approach this particular page is that you need to click onto this more option at the top right corner, and from here you will see this menu will appear, and at this menu the last option, that is add stations. So simply hover your cursor over to this add stations button, and it will open a new separate menu. Now from the separate menu, you need to choose the retiring room option. So simply click onto this retiring room option, and it will redirect you to a new website, that is IRCTC retiring room. That is rr.irctc.co.in. So the RR stands for retiring room. Now in this, you need to enter your PNR number, as only if you have a valid PNR number, you will be able to book a retiring room at the source or the destination station. So simply enter the PNR number and click onto the search button in order to initiate the availability of the rooms and the dates. So click onto the search button, and once you will click onto the search button, you can see that the passenger name has been successfully approached or has been successfully loaded. Apart from that, you might also need to log in with your IRCTC credentials if you are not already logged in. So depending upon that, you will see this particular page after you are done logging in, and then you can choose the source station. So you can choose any source station and then choose the destination station as well. So you can either select the retiring room at the source station or the destination station according to your particular preference. So let's say if you want the retiring room at the source station, you can simply click onto the source station, select the station, and then you will need to fill in the booking details. So in the booking details, the first detail is the check-in date. So you can choose the check-in date which are available from here. So let's say 16th, and then you will need to click onto the checkout option and select the checkout details as well. So let's say the checkout will be on the 17th, and then you will need to select the bed type. So you can choose a dormitory, a double, or a single bed according to your preference. So we will go with the dormitory, and then you also have this AC status. So if you only want AC or non-AC variants, you can go for them, or else select all. And then you also have a general quota option as well. So if you are ladies and you want a ladies quota or a general male, so you can do that as well. So I am currently keeping it to general as it gives us a broader search result. Then you need to select the passenger names within this particular PNR and click onto this check availability. Now this says you are booking retiring room for one passenger, please confirm. So simply click onto this OK button, and it says for one passengers, one single bedroom or one double bedroom or dormitory can be allocated. So that means we might need to change the checkout date or do some other tweaks, as it is currently showing unavailable. So let's try to. So I think the check-in time must be a future date. So let's choose it 18 as well, and then click onto this check availability. And once I will do this, you can see that I have been redirected into a new page, and from here you can see the details that we have filled. And now we have the option of slot duration. So here are the 3 room numbers within this particular specified date range, and from here you can also see the tariff. As you can see, the tariff is very minimal, and also the check-in time and checkout time are listed right here. And apart from that, you will also see the amenities which will be provided into your room. So you can choose any of the room and then click onto this slot duration in order to accept that slot for whichever that retiring room is available. And then you can click onto this proceed option in order to do this. And apart from that, there is also a note that says maximum booking up to 48 hours in continuation can be done based on availability. So that was all for this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.